I'm filming this drone way up there. Can you see it? Very high. So this fellow here is going to take pictures of his property. You know what your little gadget is, do you?
Yeah, it's a DJI Mini 2.
You know where it is now?
What's that?
You know where it is? Or is it just the film?
Right, it's over here. It's above the street right here. I'm looking at food bags.
It's a little hard to find exciting content in Sacramento for my channel. I got quite a lot in Las Vegas when I was there. Lots of exciting things going on over there.
Yeah, not too much here.
Not really. So this is the view from your drone.
Correct.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's 4K footage.
Oh, amazing. So I imagine the camera would have cost extra as well then.
No, it's all part of it.
Oh, amazing. It looks like it might actually be worth it. So you're using what is that, an Android phone?
Yeah. But you could use any phone. They do, the difference between like this one and the better ones is they